Assalamu alaikum friends, how are you? Today we visit to KPK, Pakistan. Beautiful water, green water and beautiful valley you can see here. And Miss Katie with me from Netherlands. What she say about this beautiful water?
And as they go, they're melting. So there's an awful lot of water and it all needs to go someplace. And they opened it up and the water was purple. And it smelled like rotten eggs. It's a sulfur.
You have seen about this beautiful water from Miss Katie from Netherlands. Now we are going to Canada where Muhammad Bilal will tell us what he is doing there in Canada, in Iceland. Muhammad Bilal, Assalamu alaikum. What are you doing at the same time in Canada, Iceland? Can you hear me, Mr. Bilal?
Assalamu alaikum. We are heading towards Bell Island and this is the ferry. He's Inam, our pilot, and that is Mr. Ali, who is the mastermind of this tour, and this is the guy, Mr. Shabir, who is also one of our...
Shabir, his Pakistani name.
Yeah, his Pakistani name is Shabir, but his name is Peter. So here we have the what we call this sort of iceberg. Where is that? Yeah, that white thing. That is the iceberg. And here we are going towards that island. That is called as Bell Island.
Thanks Muhammad Bilal and thanks viewers to watch my video. I will bring you more beautiful videos and more beautiful places and valleys and some other lakes from Pakistan. Please stay with me and like my page and share my videos. Thanks very much. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz. Typical hook used to catch fish. A little boy. Some beautiful historic remains in this area of Choi.